Okay, we arrived. This is the Trinity. That's Aga there. This is Trinity. Okay. And then here's my seminary, St. Andrews. And that's our chapel. This is new, yeah. That's the Alem. This is where I graduated seminary. This is where we used to do our stuff. Let's see. Here. Let's go here. Yeah. Saya nyo ah. Masaya kayo ah. Oh.
Gosh, I can't even remember.
Yeah.
But it was never like this. That's Tita Becca already.
Yeah.
But it was never like this.
Oh.
Remember we had the rice terraces and then in the back.
Oh, the back. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see if we can go there.
Wala na. This one that goes to the Sumebang. That's the Sumebang's house. This is the back of Mama's Tadlis. The Tadlis.
This one, remember, and there's a big wall. Remember the big wall?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We all the way down. Then it was the house. Not that. Further.
This is the Sumebang's house. Gotta go up. Oh, there's the wall. And then that is the below's house. Below. And then there's the bell. It should be up there.
Can we still go in there? You know, the
Oh.
down to Cubiertos. I even though it's not, you know, the laundry
Oh,
area.
this one is
I feel like
no.
they're new. But this
Yeah,
is not
they-
it. This
No, this is not it. These are not.
Oh,
These are new. These are,
probably.
no, these are new. Yeah.
I can't tell where it is anymore.
Yeah. Okay. And this is a new one against
Well,
the.
new when we were here.
Yeah, yeah,
I think it's this, huh?
yeah.
This. Oh, never mind anymore.
No. The Kawayan. The laundry is over there, that side. Oh, that's the Belows. All the way. Hindi pala yan. There. There's the laundry. Yan ang below. Oh, there's the bell. There is the bell. There's a seminary. Back of the seminary. So it's closed. Hindi na mag-ground. It's already closed. This is the canteen. That's the laundry area. Yeah, that's laundry. This is where Mama walks. This Mama walks here to the laundry. Yeah, and then I'm there on the bell. This is
There's my room. One of this is my room. I forgot which one.
Yeah, this is the canteen. This.
Oh, for you.
Yeah, Susan.
Mine was down there.
Yeah. And then this one is not here. Wasn't here long time ago. Yeah. The below go down there. And then Mama's shortcuts all the way down there. That's the bell. Yeah. This one is not. It's the middle of. And then that's the bell.
They added a new one.
There's two of them. And then that goes to the kitchen
Yeah.
up there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is now the side of the seminary and towards the chapel. And then mayroon silang ginawang greenhouse. Ah. Wow. Uy, ang ganda. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. That's nice. Oh, yung mga kahoy. Oh, such Eco Park.
Paggabi may ilaw ba?
Wala.
Oh, nice.
Pero natuyo yung mga flowers na
Sayang.
kami na ba namin lahat at nakakama sila dyan.
Pero ilang taon na tong kahoy na to?
Matagal na po yan.
Oo,
Kay
lumaki.
Father Laos yata yan.
Oo, ganun. Green pa lang yan noon eh. Oh. Tapos yung tinatawag namin Chicks Park.
Sa taas, naging ano na siya,
Naging kwan na.
parking lot.
Park. Yan
Ay,
yung
parking
na yan.
building.
Tapos yung St. Luke's yun. Hindi. I mean yung part ng St. Luke's. Wala pa yan noon. Oo. Parking na pala.
Design lang yan.
Oo. Pero maganda.
Parang kahoy yun.
Pati itong parang kawayan.
Wow.
Parang kawayan yun. Ganda. Oo, ganda ng simbahan.
Ay, pabukas, saglit. Hindi pa yata kayo pumasok.
Oo.
Pasok kami.
Yeah, seminary is already. Oh, look at that X. Tingnan mo yan, oh, X. St. Andrews X. Tama. Oh, electronic drums. Yep. Yeah. Nice. Yan pa rin ang upuan. Actually, where was I seated all the time? Mukhang dito eh. Dito ako kasi palagi ako dito sa choir, sa organ ni Miss Espino. Yeah. Wow.